2 minutes to co-sponsor the bill, Mr. Collins.
Gentleman from Georgia recognized for 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. You know, I'm honored today to add my name to the list of those who support this legislation. H.R. 2019 bears the name of a child whose bravery and wisdom should inspire us all. Gabriella Miller reminds us that government has the ability and the obligation to strive for the greater good, to protect the innocent, to preserve their future. And if we lose sight of that goal, we have failed. In the year that I've been in Congress, most of my time has been fighting against bad policies and bad politics. But today is different. Today I stand before this body to proclaim we can do something and we can help. The Gabriella Miller Kids First Research Act priorities pediatric research to help children with autism, cancer, and other diseases. If you were to ask me what defines Doug Collins, I would tell you 3 things. I'm a man of faith, I'm a husband, and a father. A father to a daughter who has spina bifida, but also inspires me to be the type of person that I would want to be. She, like Gabriella Miller, who have overcome, and Gabriella Miller really won her fight. My daughter continues, have reminded us that you can help, and when you can help, you should. When you can make a difference, no matter how small, it still matters. It's still worth doing. I'm a freshman here, and I did not, as has been previously said, but what has amazed me is when you take a step forward in putting something productive on the floor, in which it makes at least a small statement, and Congressman Harper brings forth that with others. When you put a small step forward, you are brought down to this floor and ridiculed and said it's window dressing. I am sorry, this is not window dressing. It is a step toward being the government we're called to be, and that is prioritizing. That is putting faith back into a system in which people have lost faith. And on the floor today, it is no wonder that they've lost faith. When a good faith effort is put forward and it is criticized in light of children and research to make other political points, that is what's truly appalling today. That is what is bad. This is a simple step that was brought forth in good faith. All I'm saying is, let's prioritize. I agree with my friends across the aisle. It's time we prioritize our mission. It's time we prioritize our battles here. This is one step forward, and I would encourage all members to support something that actually does make a difference. With that, I yield back.